Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sela Febriani with NPM 234110003. Organizational design is the process of establishing the structure, roles, relationships, and work system within an organization so that all elements within it can work effectively and efficiently to achieve predetermined goals. Through organizational design management determines how work is divided, how coordination is carried out, and how communication and decision making flows. The primary goal of organizational design is to create a structure that supports organizational strategy, improves operational efficiency, facilitates communication between departments, and enables the organization to adapt to environmental change. In designing an organization, there are several important elements that must be considered. These elements include the divisions of labor, which is the extent to which tasks are divided into smaller parts to make them more specific and efficient. Departmentalization, which is the way jobs are grouped into organizational units based on function, product, region, customer, or process. Chain of command, which shows the lines of authority and responsibility between positions. Span of control, which is the number of subordinates supervised by a manager. Centralization and decentralization, which determine the level at which decisions are made, and the degree of formalization, which indicates the extent to which written rules and procedures govern the behavior of organizational members. Organizational design can vary depending on the needs and characteristics of the organization. A functional structure, for example, divides the organization based on key functions such as production, marketing, and finance. This structure is efficient and emphasizes specialization, but coordination between functions often presents challenges. A divisional structure divides the organization by product, region, or customer, making it more responsive to market change. Although it can potentially lead to duplication of research. A matrix structure combines two dimensions, function and project, to create flexibility, but can also lead to authority conflicts. Meanwhile, network and team structures are more suitable for modern organizations that demand cross-functional collaboration and high adaptability to environmental change. Organizational effectiveness reflects the extent to which an organization is able to achieve its stated goals. Organizational design plays a crucial role in determining this level of effectiveness. A structure that aligns with the organization's strategy and environment will support efficiency, facilitate communication, and enhance the organization's ability to respond to change. Effectiveness is also influenced by the alignment between strategy, structure, technology, organizational culture, and the external environment. Organizations operating in dynamic environments, for example, require flexible structures and decentralized decision making to respond quickly to change. The relationship between organizational design and organizational effectiveness is very close. because organizational design essentially serves as a framework or foundations that determines how all parts of the organization function to achieve predetermined goals. Organizational design governs how work is divided, how coordination is carried out, and how information flow and decision making occurs within the organization. If the organizational design is well designed, meaning aligned with the organization strategy, size, technology, and environment, then organizational effectiveness can be optimally achieved. Conversely, if the organizational design is inappropriate, organizational performance will decline due to overlapping tasks, slow communication, and inefficient decision making. Good organizational design creates a fit between the organization structure and strategy. For example, organizations focused on innovation require a flexible and decentralized structure to allow new ideas to emerge and be implemented quickly. For example, companies like Google implement a flexible cross-functional team structure where employees are given the space to be creative and make their own decisions. This structure supports effectiveness in creating sustainable technological innovation. In contrast, organizations focus on efficiency and stability, such as the Toyota Manufacturing Company, require a more formal, centralized structure with strict work standards to ensure consistent and efficient production. In this regard, appropriate organizational design ensures all activities support each company's strategy objective. Furthermore, organizational design also impacts communication and coordination within the organizations. A structure with clear communication channels and an appropriate span of control facilitates the flow of information, minimize errors, and accelerates decision making. For example, in a large retail company like Indomaret, its organizational design combines functional and divisional structures. At the central level, functions such as finance and marketing are organized functionally, while at the regional level, store management is handled divisionally based on geographic area. This combination allows for rapid decision making at the regional level without disrupting coordination at the central level, thus maintaining operational effectiveness. In addition to structure, the level of formality and centralization also impact effectiveness. In large, complex organizations such as government agencies, a formal structure with written rules helps maintain order and consistency in public service. However, in dynamic organizations like technology startups, an overly formal structure actually hinders creativity and responsiveness to market change. Therefore, organizational effectiveness will only be achieved if its design aligns with the characteristics of the organization and its environment. It can be concluded that organizational design is a key factor in determining organizational effectiveness. Good design creates a balance between the divisions of labor, coordination, communication, and decision making. The organizational structure must be able to support strategy, adapt to environmental change, and optimize the potential of existing human resources. With the right design, organizations can work more efficiently, adapt quickly to change, and achieve goals with a high level of effectiveness. In short, organizational design is a tool for achieving organizational effectiveness. Without the right design, no matter how good the strategy, organizational goals will be difficult to achieve. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.